She looks very pregnant. Do you do water first or just dust first?
I do dust first.
And then water.
Definitely water.
Yeah, I do water first.
What?
You just set him up for failure,
You set him up for failure.
He needs to.
Do we have one tab?
No, we don't. Actually.
Yeah.
You want some flight?
It's fucked now? Oh.
It's over. Yeah, it's over. It's fucking over.
He doesn't have his pre.
I was about to start crying because like, bro, okay, so Grant decided to steal my pre-workout. First off, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, but this fucker Grant decided to steal my pre-workout. And so now I'm going into this workout and like, I asked everyone in the gym and like, I was only able to find one tub of 110 after up his strength. It makes no sense.
The workout, it was the punishment.
It was. He tried to put me at a disadvantage because we're about to fight on deadlifts right now, so now we're going to kick his ass, you know?
We need to win. We need Titanium Joe to win. Like, it's over.
Anatoly is like... He didn't get it. He had number 5 for like 2 weeks.
When I first got it, I was like, I only do this. Extend the back. I got like, not just the weather. It's like things move slowly up there, and I'm not used to it. It's kind of like, oh wait, so like that's yeah.
And like you're used to the heat, so like that's not even on.
What's next?
6. 3 by 6 and 6.
Keep a close eye.
Yeah, nah, the grip was locked. It was harder than I wanted it to be, but it's whatever. Moving on.
I'm way strong.
That was fantastic. You could have hit it
No, it was
again.
good.
We thought you were going to double it.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna double it.
Nah, only single at 7 today. That's fine.
What is your actual morning weight? 238, 242,
237, 238. 237, 238. Yeah.
I think Big Bench Mike will come back at like 245.
I'm trying, coach. I'm trying my best.
So after this, I'm sure you guys will want to do like lunch or something.
I'm down to eat after.
And then I just want to go to your house and do nothing.
That's fine.
You're gonna be there all night.
Well, don't you have to do the Discord at 9?
You can do that.
I do.
Well, I'll just be there.
Y'all can just be there. It doesn't matter.
Can I pull up?
Yeah.
We're like, no, you can't. Everybody, care.
I don't have enough room for everyone.
Like, I don't want to kill the back. I want to kill back. I always do kill back. My back is always big. Your back is dead.
He's like, you want to talk about fuck back? I got you.
Let's go.
No, so
Work. Come on, let's go. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. You want to be the champ? Damn, bro.
We'll hit the universe on you, bro.
I'm cooked low key, man. It's just about one of them days. But I mean, it was good energy in here regardless. It's just, you know when like you feel nerfed? And it's just the most frustrating thing because you want to be strong but you can't. Like, not one of those.
Nothing you can do.
There's nothing you can do. You literally just have to rest and recover the body and then just pray you're stronger next time.
I put chalk on, it's gone. It's just clumped up on my hands. It's like your nasty ass pre-workout, bro. How to fuck his ass up? I like that.
Push on.
So smooth. That's how it is. And we didn't know what it was. And we're not gonna get a couple good sets and then the rest you just gotta pace yourself. It's week 3, dude. I gotta save juice in the tank for week 4. Yeah, we're gonna dial it back on the high bar this Saturday for sure.
Fucking torn up.
I know. But at least I'm not gonna at 10 the last rep. Did you see that shit? Did I send you guys that video? The last rep of my high bar from last week? I did like 260 for 4 at absolute 10. Like the second to last rep was like at 7.5, and the last one was boom at 10. It happens. I hung out with them. Can't even breathe right now. God damn.
I don't know about that, bro.
The doctor said that would free your nerves.
How many more you got? 2?
One.
So what'd you end with? 661 for 3 at 6? 6.5. And then I ended with 705 at like 7.5.
Go up! Go up!
So y'all decide which one's more impressive, because
This shit was slow.
it was slow. It was. It was a lot slower than I wanted it to be.
Nah, it was smooth though. Smooth. He's gonna do the yellow and the collar soon.
Gotta keep working. That's it. 783 is coming soon, baby. But yeah, I'll probably wrap up the YouTube video here. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I want to keep experimenting with these shorter form videos because I know they're a bit more watchable for y'all. But that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.